Alright.
Magic food, guys. Exciting. Get your
Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna move my paintbrush to my shirk button.
We pulled just by one.
I have to refood.
That's all good, Pally. We all know.
Oh,
You,
that was. I used my crafter food! Fuck!
Oh, that was too
Oh, I
early.
can't use my pot!
Did you use your crafter
It's all
pot?
bad.
Yeah.
That is a shame.
Not only is that annoying to me, but I can't use my actual pot either. Why is that linked? For fuck's sake.
we don't want you to abuse the system.
How am I gonna abuse the system? Use my strength pot while I craft.
Just like how you abuse cooldown resets, buddy.
Get your water.
Get hydrated.
Shut the fuck up!
What?
Imagine if this is like the clear run and then you just say shit like that.
Get in.
Uh-huh.
This is it, boys. This is the clear run.
Shut up, there.
Congratulations, guys.
For this, it'll be in like 10 seconds, but it is there.
Oh, focus target.
Share.
I
PM
Can I
is you. You can
I'll
look.
paint those. I don't know if they fucking do anything though.
Nah, I'm pretty sure most things magic here.
Pain.
Paint. Pin
I'm
them.
against the wall. Yeah.
Oh, it's how first. Oops.
If I ice core here, it's gonna fall off.
This is
By my towel.
So don't
this is the
support
second
here.
one.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
alright.
put one down now.
Can you mantra like 5 seconds after the AoE special saga?
Yeah.
Back.
And there's a tank buster after it too. I'll pop a cooldown now.
Mentoring.
Fuck off.
Dollars down.
Diversions up. Bring
In the center. Nice. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother with those front ones anymore. So be careful, melee and tank.
It's nice if you can.
Yeah, but I lose a lot of uptime by trying to bloat over there.
Venom's on.
Like Venom. Yeah.
You blow good, but you don't blow fast.
Two, one,
There's.
and
you put
how?
refresh up, like
Yep.
Strike back when you can,
Bulk
buddy.
shirking.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
Please do all the same thing. Interventions up.
Fucking
Look away.
raw intuition.
What?
That's alright, it's a little bit of uptime, but at least you guys won't die.
That's weird. How?
Star will be slightly late, but it will be there. Never mind, doesn't matter.
Okay then. This is the doubles. Blue is black. Blue black.
This is an unfortunate time for a balance. Although I appreciate your balance, it was an unfortunate.
Stay stacked. You can hop off, but stay stacked.
Don't follow Eos. Do not follow Eos.
I swear she lures me. Like,
The green fairy.
yeah.
The thing with the tanks and the melee.
Pain.
Two colors.
They're gonna go around like her. Yeah.
Try to come close to Eos after you do the thing.
Don't do it too early.
Deploying.
Lights out.
Divine Veil's out as well.
Reprisal. You get next one then.
Ah, that's really
Diversion's up.
done it as well.
So,
Good.
It's fine. Intervention's out. I'm standing at 2. I think this next one's the torpedo
Okay.
one.
Where's this kite?
It's the
Tiger,
torpedo.
Charlie.
Yeah. It's the kite one.
Those kite. Oh, well, it's gonna hit me.
And then it's the prey marker.
Charlie.
Foul.
Do you like having
Fine.
mechanics? Because remember to top venom up here? In 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
sorry guys, I had a pretty massive leg spike just in.
Oh, good.
Release.
Okay, follow to 1. This is Typhon and Tidal Wave.
Literally the one we just did.
Windy.
Give us a rock, brother.
Behind.
In the center.
When the first howl comes off.
And beside the rock, inside the rock.
Don't need to be inside the rock.
No,
Oh,
but I'm
okay,
saying, yeah.
That's the way you mean, yeah. Never mind.
I got refresh available, just let me know when you need it.
They're okay,
We're actually
yeah.
both good on MP now, yeah.
Yeah, just save it.
Save
Blue,
it.
blue, black again.
Out.
Stay
Stay
out,
out.
stay out,
Stay out.
stay out. Meet back
Okay.
in. There's ice.
Oh, that fucking hurts.
I'm gonna try ammoing that next
Nick
time.
Powell.
I think mine was
Don't
late.
reprisal the next one.
I have Mantra in 6 seconds. Let me know if you need it.
If there's a tank buster, I'm gonna intervention you. No.
There's no tank buster for ages here.
Ghost is out. I'm gonna
Pain.
demonic pain.
Pain, spread.
Hitting refresh now.
Rogue shirking.
It's on windy.
Out of the-
Everyone, and then move back out.
Yeah, stay away from venom. Pots are out. Oh, well, my pots are out.
Mine isn't. Yeah, you're a bit out.
yeah, my
Create crafter pots.
crafting pot. I hope we don't. I mean, I hope we do. My crafted pot powers.
I fainted it. I don't know if that'll help.
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Focus up.
Diversion's up.
It's blue black next.
The next
with
one's the
Venom,
bit where Venom needs to
HG.
come back. Yep. Yep. This is the Venom HG one.
Second
Blue
burst,
black.
same
Blue
as the
black.
first.
Blue black. And you don't need to go into 2. You don't need to go to 2.
Can we go to this side now?
Yeah, to the fire painting.
Don't worry about healing me. I'll have HG.
Reprisal.
Coming close for AoE heals.
I'm standing off at the side if I'm required for anything. Intervention.
Oh shit. Thank you.
Good thing I did it.
Yeah, I'm spaghetti
It's
there,
okay.
sorry.
It's okay. Focus up.
It's the ad. Healer ad.
Careful healers. Remember, look at the and one of the painting is gonna have the eye on it. Careful.
This is kite. I think.
Yeah,
Kite,
this is kite.
kite.
Go, go, go.
And remember to look away.
Some
Can you
may.
aim one?
How?
Look away. Look away.
You can look.
Meant for heals, guys.
Oh fuck.
Coming for AoE
Yes,
heals.
yes.
I can raise.
Pots
Divine
are
Veil
out
is
now.
out. Pots are out. Yep. Pain.
Pain,
Spread
spread.
it. Spread.
I'm gonna move A.
Yep, thank you. Break stroke when you can, buddy.
Rogue shirking.
I can look closer than I thought. Never
No.
mind.
I don't have diversion for a while.
It's okay.
Reprisal.
Burn deeps.
He's
Push
gonna move
hard.
soon. He's gonna
Yeah, we
move.
still got another one. This is the one where it's the stack at 1.
Okay, it's an easy one.
I'm gonna do this early. Just to be safe. Stack at 1.
I've got the yellow.
Stack at 1. Limit break from the rock. Behind the rock. Behind the rock.
Hey!
Nice.
Nice.
Easy.
Easy.
Ha!
Easy game.
Got him!